Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug. It's Monday. Time to shave. You got to be happy about that. The Seagulls sitting third on the table at the moment. Spurs just behind us in fourth. Spurs had a nice little win over Wolves, 1-0. And Crows won. Oh, I should have got their Guernsey up for it was the last game of the season. Anyway, the Crows won their last game. That was good. So today we're going to use vintage handle, at least, synthetic top. Phoenix and Bow Iceni, and we'll have a balm with that as well. And we're going to be using a Frankenrazor. So it is a tech handle. Really like that Art Deco type handle. I think all the platings, or most of the plating's gone on this. And a new top on it. So it's not bad. I like the look of it. Let's crack on in. Pretty easy leather to make up. Bit of a rush today. Not too often when I'm not in a rush, is there? Beautiful, beautiful leather. As you get from Phoenix and Bow. No messing around there. They have joined the tallow market, the vegan market. So they got a new vegan soap out, which would be interesting to try out. Big market, the vegan one. It's not just people, vegans that buy some of the stuff. It's just people want a bit more clean living. Frankenrazor. Oh, you know what that helps with a Frankenrazor? You put the blade in it. I'm an idiot. I'm in that much of a hurry. So this is the 7th shave with the Perma Sharp blade. You saw that first, people. I could be the first shaving vlogger that's forgot to put the blade in the razor. Warm that razor up again. Take 2. That's better. So this is a fairly mild shave. A touch more aggressive than a standard tech or post World War II tech. There we go. Let's say g'day to Rod, a fellow enthusiast and inflicted razor collector. Dropped into the shop yesterday for a chat. Threw some coins my way and took home a few razors. It was much appreciated. So I had a pretty good weekend, sports-wise at least. Brighton played at 2 a.m. in South Australian time. So I watched the replay of that. On Sunday while I was sitting in the shop. And then watch the Crows beat the Kangaroos. Results-wise, it was just a non-event game. Besides the fact that a couple of Crows were playing their last game for the Adelaide Crows, so a bit emotional at the end for them, but it all worked out well. You want your farewell game to be a winner, don't you? So the Crows were able to do that for McKay and Lynch. And Brighton played Watford, and that was really almost one-way traffic. I think Watford only had about 1 or 2 shots on target. Shane Duffy, a beautiful header, 10 minutes into the game from a corner. And then a shocking defensive mistake by Watford. So Basuma turned the ball over. And Neil Morpay get on the end of it and just knock in a regulation goal, really. At that standard. First home game for the Seagulls this season in front of a very healthy crowd. So if you like the look of this razor, there's a fella in Australia on eBay. I reckon it's the same guy I bought this razor from. He's got some more for sale, and I think he's just because that's just the brass. That's not gold plating at all, and I think the handle has some plating left on it, but it's mainly down to the core metal. But he polishes them up really nice. They look real good. and they're reasonably priced. And if you're in America, well, the American dollar looks really good against the Aussie peso, I can tell you. It's just mainly the shipping really that gets you. The shipping from Australia is cheaper than from America. So not much more planned for the week except just sit in the shop. Hope it's busy so I don't turn to stone. Pretty lucky being in South Australia for a variety of reasons. I think we're one of 3 states in Australia not locked down. Two AFL finals getting played here next weekend, which is unheard of. Well, Port Power, they would get the home final. But the other 2 AFL teams would have played in at the MCG. Most probably anyway, but it wouldn't have been at Adelaide Oval. Good chance. Grand final will be here as well. Bit of a nick. Let's turn this around. Okay, wash myself off, BBS shave. Pardon me, just a bit of a frog in my throat. So it's Iceni shave soap. So it's citrus. I don't have my glasses on. So it's citrus, musk and resin. It's actually hard to read there. Blending in there. So really nice scented soap. It's not punching in your face, but it just sits there while the lather's on your face. It's nice. Really nice. And Phoenix and Bio, you can't go wrong. Anything in their range. Just absolutely buy it with confidence. So we're going to go the balm that comes with it. No, that's probably too much. Oh no, not too bad. No, probably was too much. Just a really light scented balm as well. Just dry my hands off. Well, I probably should use this more often. It's a keen shave. If you're familiar with shaving with a tech razor or a post-World War II tech, it's got a little bit more bite than that, which I sort of enjoy. So it was an easy 3 passes, just a little bit of touch up, and I only had the one small nick on my neck, so that's a success. 7th shave for the Perma-Sharp Triple Life blade. So if it gets to Friday and successful, then we'll call it a day for the blade. I reckon we'll get there. Yeah, what else there to say? You can pick these up. You can make up your own Frankenrazors out of these old Gillettes. You know, just they're cheap to buy. Strip them back. If it's got really bad plating on it, just strip that back to the base metal. No problem. And make them up. A bit like Lego. Okay, people. Hope you enjoyed. A bit boring today, wasn't it? Seagulls. Just really happy. Every seagull fan right around the world is just walking on air today. Without a doubt. Okay, people, I've got to go. Running late as usual. Enjoy your week. Head down, bum up, or is that just make sure your bum's down as well? I don't know, but just work hard and play hard at the end of the week. That's all we need to know. All right, people, take care. We'll chat soon. Unboxing on Wednesday. See you then. Ciao.